Hello, this is Keith with the Georgetown County School District, and today I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to use Google Keep. Now, Google Keep is one of the apps and one of the tools that you can use to keep notes for yourself on a document or a slide project. So let's get right into this. And so the first thing that I do is I'm going to go into my ClassLink here in the Georgetown County School District, and where I have all my Google apps. Now you can always add Google Keep to your list of things that you want to have in your ClassLink by going over here and doing the search for your particular apps that you want to add. We're not going to do that part today. We're going to go right into Google Keep. So here's where Google Keep is. Now mine right now is blank. So what I want to be able to do is to take a note, and I'm going to call this Tech Fair 2019. All right, so I want to finish my project for 2019 fair and get reviewed by a peer. All right, so that's one of the things that I want to try to do. So let's see, here's some different things we've got down here. We've got a reminder, we've got to add a collaborator, we can change the color of the background, we can add an image, I can archive this, and here are some more things that I can do. I can delete the note, add a label to it, drawing. Now if you start adding labels, that's where you will start grouping things that are alike. I can add a drawing, make a copy, show checkboxes, and so forth. So let's just do this. Let's go in here and let's say we've got our note right here. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to add or show checkboxes. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to say finish the video. And I'm just going to hit my enter or my return key. Finish the video. Add narration. And let's say I'm going to submit on intent form. All right, so now I have the things that I want to do for my notes. So what I've done is just make a note for myself. It's almost like a sticky note that you might have plugged up around somewhere, but this is going to be on your computer, and this is where you just click on it and you'll have it right there with you. But you know what I want to do? Since this is really my main project right here, and these are the things I want to do underneath it, I think I want to move them over. I'm just going to click on it and drag it over to the right just a little bit, and it will indent it. See how it's indented differently from here? So this is one of the things underneath my project here that I want to do, and I'm going to do the same thing over here for this one. And I can actually just click on it, and instead of having to drag it over, you'll show down here, it'll tell you the shortcut is to Control plus that bracket. Now that bracket is on the third row of the laptop. It might be different on the Google Chromebook, but it looks like this. It looks like a little right-sided parentheses, but instead of being curved, it's squared. So if I hold down Control and hit that little bracket right there, it moves it over. You'll see how it did that. All right, so I've got those things done. Here's what time it is. I've edited that. I created it at that time. And let's see, if I wanted to add a collaborator, I could add one of my friends or partners. I could change the color of the background. Let's see, I want to make this a background color yellow. So now that's yellow. And let's see, I don't want to add an image right now. I'm going to do that. Here's what I do want to do. I want to remind myself. So I'm going to click Remind. And I'm going to set a reminder for tomorrow at 8 a.m. Now, if I want to change that, I can go to 8, to 1, to 6, to 9. It's got it, and then underneath there, it's got a little place for custom. And I didn't show that, but it's right underneath here. It's not on my screen right now. Let's see if I move that down. There you go. So I can do custom, and then I can actually type in 9 a.m. All right, now I'll click Save. Now tomorrow at 9 a.m., and today is the 21st, so tomorrow on the 22nd, when I'm on my computer at 9 a.m., this reminder will come up and it will tell me, okay, remember to finish your project and finish your video. And I might, at that point in time, I might be able to do something. I can say, okay, I finished the video. When I do that, I can click on it and it will check it off for me. Okay, I'm going to go over here and undo that just so you can see. And I've got that. If I pin this note, then what it does is it sort of keeps it up there and makes it important so you can get to it a little quicker. I can unpin it. It just sort of brings it up to the top, brings it to prominence is what it really does. It's the same thing that you want to do if you have something on your notes in your phone that you use. So I've got that. I'm going to close that one down. And I've got one of my keep notes ready to go. Hope this has helped you, and I want you to try this out. Try it out and see if it doesn't give you a good reminder on tomorrow.